This next little trick I'm going to show you sometimes can save you hours and hours and hours on SketchUp. What it's going to do is it's essentially going to do a copy and paste on certain objects. Now you can do copy and paste by doing like the shortcuts or kind of right clicking Control C, Control V, and you can make loads of them. But on SketchUp we do it slightly differently. So what you must do is get your select tool to begin with and click on the piece that you want to copy. And then you're going to go down to this tool here, which is the one I kind of clicked on quickly before to give you an example. It's the Move tool. So now what I do is I click these 4 arrows going off at different angles, and the Move tool, to begin with, just moves things around. So you can either grab it and just throw it around like that and kind of put it wherever you want. Very difficult to get that done accurately. Or what I always say, the best way to move things is actually by picking a corner or a point, and then that automatically, because of the way SketchUp's programmed, will kind of snap to other corners. So I pick any corner I want. Sometimes it doesn't happen straight away. I have to change my camera angle, but at the moment you can see it's kind of snapped to a corner down there, or I can put it back over here and it kind of connects up. Now what we want to do is so I'll just go back and put that where we started. We are going to use the Move tool, but it will create a second version. So I'm going to pick this corner, the bottom corner here, because I want it to line up with the bottom corner there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to move it, but during the move, so when you move you only click once, you never click and hold, remember, on that left mouse button. But I'm going to press on my keyboard, I'm going to press the CTRL button, Control. And by clicking that, just tapping it once, it keeps the original in place, and now it lets me move a second one, which makes my life so much easier, because now I can just put that, I could stack it on top if I wanted to, go on the other side, but I want it on the other side, just like that. So I've now got 2 of them, and they are perfectly in line. Because I use that corner tool, I can just check that it's all lined up perfectly, but that is exactly where I wanted it. If it wasn't, then I could get the corner tool again and make those adjustments, zoom in if I needed to, and just make sure that it is lined up perfectly. But I've now got the 2 sides of this photo frame.